Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to withdraw your money from the Click Wages, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is you have to log into your account in Click Wages. You can use your browser or you can download the application. Now you have to do is simply click on cash out button here. Simply here at the bottom side you can find the cash out. At the bottom right side, at the very right, you can find the cash out option here. Now from here you have to do is you can find the cash out button here. Make sure that you have enough balance, because let me show you. If I want to cash out it, then the minimum balance you require to make a withdrawal is $200. So once you have earned $200, then you can easily withdraw that money to your payment account, payment method that are actually currently available in Click Wages. So if you don't have this amount of money, that $200, then you won't be able to withdraw your rest of the money. So first you have to do is simply click on close, and from here you can find the payment method. I have not said it yet, so you have to do is simply click on that, and here you can find a pop-up section where you can set your payment method. You have to simply click on this drop down button, and you can find different types of payment method that are available, except Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, also Western Union, Cash App, and many more. Also Google Pay or Apple Pay also here. So you can use them, or you can also convert them in cryptocurrency from here. So after that you have to add the credential like your payment account number or payment code. After confirming your payment account number, simply click on confirm, and you have just set your payment method. And whenever you have $200, you can easily cash out your money when you have such a sufficient balance here, $200, and it's pretty easy. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.